Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to a research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering: truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Ilmu offers a book with the title Machine Learning, and it is introductory lecture of the book. I am your instructor, Gul Mehak. Let's start today's lecture with lecture outline. Inshallah, in today's lecture, first I'll present introduction to author. After that, I'll present book aims, book learning outcomes, and book contents. And finally, I'll present book development and teaching methodology. One of the primary goals of the book is learn to smile and appreciate. Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, to the nearest meaning, your smiling in the face of your brother is charity. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is role model for us in all fields of life. Therefore, we should try to practice this sunnah and try to keep smile on our faces. Recalling the equation from the previous slide, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Now, I present first part of the lecture, that is introduction to author, both in terms of technical skills and human engineering. The author of the book is Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab. Dr. Adil holds a PhD degree in computer science from University of Sheffield, UK. Currently, he is working as an assistant professor at Comsets University Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan. He is also a group lead of NLP research group at Comsets University Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan. The human engineering profile of Dr. Deep is as follows. He has spent more than 19 years in Sohbat of Ahlul Allah. He has more than 5 years experience of delivering motivational seminars. He has more than 8 years experience of leading the NLP research group. The technical skills of Dr. Deal are teaching and research. He has more than 16 years teaching and research experience at university level. His publications include 54 international publications with 7 books, 1 course, 25 impact factor journal papers, and 21 international conference or workshop papers. If I discuss Dr. Adil's profile in terms of supervision, 5 students have successfully completed their PhD and 4 are working under supervision. More than 70 students have successfully completed their MPhil thesis and 4 are working under his supervision. On Google Scholar, his citations are 624 with an age index of 14. The faculty profile of Dr. Adil. The research profile of Dr. Adil. After discussing introduction to author, now I'll present the second part of the lecture, that is book aims, book learning outcomes, and book contents. A very fundamental question. Why learn machine learning? The possible answer to this question is nowadays, machine learning has become an important and vital part of top leading companies of the world. For example, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Uber, etc. make use of machine learning to efficiently run their operations. Jobs related to machine learning are on the rise, and there are better career opportunities for the machine learning engineers. Machine learning is commonly and widely used in many fields, including artificial intelligence, data science, data analytics and visualization, cybersecurity, game development, self driving cars, medicine and healthcare, natural language processing, digital image processing, web development, scientific and mathematical computing, system automation and administration, finance and trading, and many more. Book focus. The main focus of the book is learn how to plan, design, and develop high quality machine learning models or intelligent softwares to solve real world problems. Book aims. The main aims of this book are as follows. Number one, introduce how to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering to become a balanced and characterful person. Number two, introduce how to tell an interesting, connected, and coherent story in a course. Number three, introduce skills to systematically learn any concept using a template based approach. Number four, introduce some of the main topics in machine learning, especially learning from examples. Number five, develop skills to analyze, understand, and pre process data if needed, and then transform data in such a format which machine learning algorithms can understand. Number six, to develop skills to understand which machine learning algorithms will be more suitable for the given machine learning problem and how to train, test, and deploy machine learning models in real world. Number seven, to develop skills to plan, design, build, evaluate, and deploy serious artificial intelligence program. Book learning outcomes. Inshallah, by the end of the book, a participant should be able to number one, live and enjoy the blessings of a balanced and characterful life by putting 100% effort with sincerity on daily basis to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering. Number two, plan, design, and develop high quality softwares using a template based approach. Number three, understand how to pre process data and represent data in a format so that machine learning algorithms can learn from data. Number four, understand main categories of machine learning algorithms and what machine learning algorithms are more suitable for which type of machine learning problems. Number five, understand how to train a model using training data, how to evaluate the performance of a model using testing data, and when it will be more suitable to deploy a model in real world. Number six, understand how to build, evaluate, and compare various machine learning algorithms over the same dataset. Number seven, understand how the following approaches can be used to efficiently solve both real world problems and machine learning problems, including systematic thinking approach, identifying most suitable solution approach, completeness and correctness approach, divide and conquer approach, half cooked approach, structured thinking approach, inverted triangle approach, and 100% effort with sincerity approach. If I summarize machine learning in an equation, then whole machine learning is based on data is equal to model plus error. Book contents, chapter by chapter. This book is fundamentally divided into five parts. The first part is introduction. It is further divided into three chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction to Authors and Book. Chapter 2, Basics of Human Learning. Chapter 3, Basics of Machine Learning. The second part of the book is data, and it is further divided into three chapters. Chapter 4, Data and Annotations. Chapter 5, Data and Annotations, Step by Step Examples. Chapter 6, Treating a Problem as a Machine Learning Problem, Step by Step Examples. The third part of the book is Model, and it has seven chapters. Chapter 7, Concept Learning and Hypothesis Representation. Chapter 8, Finders Algorithm. Chapter 9, Version Space Algorithm. Chapter 10, Decision Tree Learning. Chapter 11, Artificial Neural Network. Chapter 12, Bayesian Learning. Chapter 13, Instance Based Learning. The fourth part of the book is error, and it has only one chapter, chapter 14, evaluating hypothesis. The last part of the book is conclusion. It also has one chapter, chapter 15, book main findings, conclusion, and future work. Target audience. The target audience for the book, all males and females interested in machine learning. After discussing book aims, book learning outcomes, and book contents, now I'll present the third part of the lecture, that is book development and teaching methodology. Discuss book development methodology. This book aims to tell a connected and coherent story using a simple to complex step by step approach. Using this approach, this book is planned, designed, and developed by following a three-step process. In step 1, instructor will deliver a chapter. In chapter, instructor will explain each concept using a detailed and self-explanatory examples. Therefore, in step 1, 100% work is done by instructor. In step 2, the instructor will give to-do tasks to students which will be similar to the examples taught by instructor in the chapter. The students will solve these to-do tasks using their own knowledge and concepts taught in the chapter. Therefore, 50% work is done by teacher and 50% work is done by students. After completing step 2, students will move to the step 3, that is your turn task. In this step, student will find out real world tasks similar to the to-do task and find out the most suitable solution for the selected real world task. Therefore, 100% work is done by students. As we move from step 1 to step 3, it is a simple to complex and step by step approach. It is important to note here these to do and your turn tasks will serve as an assignment in this book for the students. Book teaching methodology. This book will be taught using half cooked approach. That is, 50% of the work will be done by teacher and 50% of the work will be done by students. In this way, both teachers and students will be putting 100% effort with sincerity to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering. Our machine learning book, along with supporting material, data, and code, can be freely downloaded from our website ilmoirfan.com using the following URL. Book price. This book is free of cost. However, it is a humble request from Ilmo Irfan Institute. At least teach one person after learning this and request him or her to do the same. After discussing book development and teaching methodology, let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented a brief overview of the author of the book. After that, I presented book aims, book learning outcomes, and book contents. And finally, I presented book development and teaching methodology. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless us all with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Summa ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.